We're in the process of giving our bathroom a makeover. We painted the ceilings, we painted the walls a light gray, we picked up this cabinet from Lowe's for $78. We also picked up the shower head from Lowe's for $48. And I wanted to get shower curtains that gave the illusion of height in the bathroom. But the standard shower curtain is only 72 inches in length, which really wouldn't do that. So luckily, I came across these panels at Lowe's. They have the grommets at the top, and they are 84 inches in length. So we bought 2 packages of these. All I'm going to have to do is seam them together and then add a vinyl backing, and that should give us the look that we like. Yeah, I have the 2 panels laid out on the floor right now, and all I'm doing right now is pinning them in preparation for sewing. Now I'm sewing the panels together. Now we're just putting up the liner and we're following the pleats. There's our new shower curtain. We are really happy with the result. I love the way the blue pops against that white cabinet, and I also really love the illusion of height that it brings to the bathroom. I'm definitely looking forward to doing this in our second bathroom as well. And I have to say, it was easier to sew these 2 curtain panels together than it would have been to sew shower curtains from scratch. So hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.